from a birthday dinner and I came home to this on my doorstep, so I figured I might as well do an unboxing since I already am camera ready. I did film this makeup look earlier today. I'm not sure if this will be up before that tutorial, but I'll either link it here or you could just check back on my channel for that. I believe this is the Allure Beauty Box for November, since we're in November. And it just has a little insert about all the products inside the box. I don't think I did any add-ons for this month, so let's see what's inside. First thing I see is this little perfume, and it's called Discover N307 Noteworthy. Fruity, cheerful, happy, woodsy orange trees. So this is mandarin, basil, and sandalwood. Interesting. It's like super fresh, and I'm definitely catching the citrus and the woodsy notes. I actually really like this. It's kind of addicting, the smell. It's very unique and love that. Okay. Next, I see this Biotin and Collagen hair mask. Ooh. Do you see that? Like, it smells really good. It smells like a classic conditioner. I don't know how else to describe it, but it literally smells like the most basic conditioner. I'm about to get in the shower, so we'll just put that in my hair. Next, we have the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. Interesting. I'm like squeezing it and it's not a full tube. Maybe that's how all of them are, but it is this really beautiful like champagne gold highlight. Can you see that? That's super pretty. Next is the Kat Burki Vitamin C Face Cream. I think I also chose this item. It smells pretty good. I have a Kat Burki like eye serum, so I chose this just to like go with the products I already do have. Next is the Sephora Big Mascara. It's like a little mascara sample. Ooh, I like the wand. I've never tried this mascara, so I'll definitely give it a go. Ooh, is it a crayon? Okay, this is like, oh, these always break, you know? But this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like this taupey silver color. I know I'm gonna use this like a lot. That is pretty cool, pretty exciting. Let's see. Oh yeah, and it does just kind of like blend out. Next, we have like a liquid hydration IV pack. Kind of random, but I might be using this tomorrow. So there's 3 flavors in there: white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. That seems kind of random, but... And then this is the Almond Shower Oil from Luseta. And I know everyone goes crazy over this. It's like one of those viral products. So I'm actually pretty excited to try it. I've never tried it. I've smelled it in store before, and everyone says it smells like amazing. And I think it just has like a really mild smell. I mean, it smells good, but it's just mild. It's not like a crazy intense almond smell, which is what I imagine because of how nuts people go over this. But I am going to actually try this tonight and see if it's like worth all the hype. So that is what was in my Allure Beauty Box for November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.